BPSU Balanga Campus.
Good day, I'm Mariel de la Peña from BSBA MM3B, BPSU Balanga Campus.
Good day, I am Larabel Torres from BSBA MM3B, BPSU Balanga Campus. Hi, we visited Wood Corner, a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here is a photo of their large desk that we like.
What's the cost?
They cost $140 each, but they are discounted to $100. If we order a minimum of 10 desks, we can sell them at $220.
Sounds good. I'll create the product in our catalog.
First, click on Sales, then click on Products. Click New, then on the product name, type Large Desk. Then on the product type, click Goods, then the invoicing policy as delivered quantities. On the sales price, type 12,540 pesos. Then on the customer taxes will be automatically 12%. On the cost, type 7,980 pesos. Then on the product category, select all syllable. Then type in the internal reference as 0001. Then click on Purchase and add a line. Type Wood Corner, then create and edit. Then type all the necessary information. Then on the image, click Edit. Then select File, which will be the logo. Then save and close. Then on the quantity, select one quantity, and then on the price, type 7,980. Then add another line, type again Wood Corner. Then on the quantity, type 10 quantity. On the price, type 5,700. Then on the image, select Edit. Then add your image of the large desk. Then save all.
Ms. Torres, I plan to purchase large desk. What are your monthly sales estimates?
Between 9 and 12.
Okay, I'll purchase 10 desks to start with.
Click on Purchase, then click on Request for Quotation, then select New. Then on the vendor, type Wood Corner. Change the date for the order deadline. Then on the product, add a product. Then type Large Desk. Then on the quantity, change it to 10. Send by email. Then double check the file, the attachments. Then send. Check the email, then confirm order. Double check. Then print. Send PO by email.
Hello, I'm the driver from Wood Corner. I'll be at your warehouse in 5 minutes. Can you open the loading dock?
Okay, go to Doc 3. I'll validate the receipt.
Select Inventory. Then click on Receipts. Then you will see the reference WHIN0001. Then click it. After that, check the date schedule, then validate.
Hi, we received a bill from the vendor. I'll put it on your desk. Can you create, check, and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
On the purchase, click on the request for quotation, then the existing reference, and after that, check the build. Then click on other information. Then on the payment terms, select end of following month. After that, click create bill. And then on the bill date, edit the bill date. Then select confirm. And then click on register payment. Then on the journal, click the vendor bills. After that, go to accounting, then upload,
Hi, Fiona from Azure Interior speaking. I've seen beautiful wooden desks in your catalog. Can you send a quote for 3 desks to fiona@game.oduo.com?
You'll get it by email right now.
click on sales, then click on quotations, then click on new. Then type the customer name. Then on the product, add a product, select large desk. Then change the quantity to 1. And then send by email. And then add the email of the customer. Then check if there is an attachment and then select send. After that, click on confirm.
I'm in a meeting this morning. Can you process and validate the delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from Azure Interior is shipped.
Okay, I'll check this right away.
Click on inventory, then click on the delivery orders. After that, select on the existing reference, double check the information, and then click on validate.
Can you validate which sales orders we need to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I'm on it.
Select sales, then click on to invoice, and then click orders to invoice. And then you will see the existing order date. And then click it. After that, click on create invoice. Then choose the regular invoice. And then click on create draft invoice. After that, select confirm. Then click on preview to double check the information. And then click on back to edit mode. After that, click send and print. Double check the recipients and the attachments. After that, send and print.
Let's register this payment in the invoice.
Select on Accounting, and then click on Customers, select Invoices, and then select on the existing customer, and then click on Register Payment. On the payment method, choose Manual, and then select Create Payment.
Can you tell me the net profit of this year? I need it for a board meeting tomorrow.
Let me check the profit and loss report.
Click on Accounting, then on Reporting, click on Profit and Loss. After that, double check the informations.
Now, let's go on to the next step. Lily, I'd like to sell the products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of the accessories we can easily sell on site?
Sure, no problem. Here's the document with all product accessories information. I will send you the link.
Great! I'll import this file directly in the system.
Click on Apps, then install Point of Sale. Click Point of Sale, then on Configuration, select Point of Sales. Again, on Configuration, select Settings. And after that, click on Save. And then, copy the link to download the Excel file. And then click again on Point of Sale, then on Products. On the settings, import records, which is importing a file. And then select the Excel file and then upload. And then click on Import.
I love these LED lamps. I'll buy 3 right away.
Good! With today's special offer, when buying two identical items, you get 20% discount on the two.
Great, I'll pay you in cash. Here is $600.
On Point of Sale, select the Open Register. And then choose the LED lamp. First is the two quantities. And then next is one quantity for LED lamp. And then select the price. And then select payment. After that, click on the amount the customer will pay. And then click validate. After that, select on print receipt and then click on new order.
I got a question for you. Can you come over, please?
We're closing the shop. I'll close my POS session and be there in a minute.
For closing a session, click the three lines on the right side of the register and then choose Close Session. And then click Close Session and then select OK.
How do you plan to control the cash from your register?
There's a functionality in Odoo POS. I'll configure the option, but then I'll need some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new session. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you $550.
On the register, on the opening cash control, click on the opening cash, then select the amount needed. And after that, click on confirm. Then double check the money details and then click on open session.
Hi, I'll like this whiteboard. Is it possible to get an invoice, please?
Sure. Can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Yes, my name is Charm Smith, 3202 Hannah Street, Asheville, NC 28801. My phone number is 443-648-9155. I'll pay cash. Here is $200.
On the register, click on the customer, then click on edit. After that, type on the customer's name and fill out the necessary informations. And after filling out the information, click on save. And then click on whiteboard. After that, proceed to payment. And then type in the amount the customer will be paying. And then click on validate. And then lastly, print the receipt.
Hi, I came yesterday and I bought 3 LED lamps. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
First, on register, click on the LED lamp, which is one quantity. And after that, click on the negative for the price and then proceed to payment. And after that, click on the amount, which is 0. And then click on validate.
Sophia, don't forget to set the closing balance. You need to add all the coins and bills you have in the register drawer.
Yes, I will.
On the register, click on the three lines on the upper part. After that, click on cash. And then click on the necessary amount needed. And then click on confirm and then click close session.
Hey, can you tell me which products are the best sellers?
I'll check on the orders reporting.
On point of sale, click on the reporting and then click on the orders. After that, click on measures and then there is a selection for the product quantity. Click on the pie chart. Then on the group by, click on product.
I'll create a project office design to structure our services. What are the steps involved in designing an office?
It starts with an on-site meeting to check their office and gather info. Then I prepare 3 design proposals. Based on their feedback, I model a floor plan. Then a sales rep does the quotation with the new products.
Okay, thanks. I'll create the stages and set the email address design at on the project to ease the creation of tasks.
On projects, click on New Project, and then on Name, type Office Design, and then type the email, and then create project. After that, add a stage, which is meeting. Next is design. Third is floor plan. Fourth is the quotation. And then lastly is the done. Next, click on the projects.
Hi, Google asked us to design their new office in New York.
Send an email to design at yourdomainname.odo.com with subject Google NY to create a task for Chloe.
In creating a task, go to email. Then type design at and the name of the company. After that, on the subject part, type Google NY. And then type in the necessary message. After typing, click on the files, then choose the file which is the image of the office. Then click on send.
Chloe, you should have a new task for Google NY in the project office design. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I'll start the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meeting with the customer next week. Once my meeting is done, I'll work on the design proposal.
Now, let's perform the job. Click Office Design, check this icon, and click the Schedule an Activity. And in Activity Type, change it into Meeting. And type in Summary, visit Google's office, and click Open Calendar to see. And in Meeting, click the circle button to select In Progress.
I think it's a mistake to offer our office design services for free. If we sell it, customers will better understand the value of Chloe's work.
You're right. We can sell this service at $50 per hour. I'll create a product office design service that you can use in your quotations. I'll configure it to generate tasks for every sales order.
On sales, click on products. Then click on new. On the product name, type office design service. Then unselect the can be purchased. On the product type, select service. Then the sales price, type 50 pesos. On the invoicing policy, select based on timesheets, and then on create an order, select task. For project, type office design, and then save.
I just confirmed our first quotations for the Jackson's group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours. The customers loved it and confirmed the order right away.
Awesome! Check that the task has been created automatically for Chloe.
Select sales, then click on quotations. After that, click on new. Then on the customer, type in the Jackson group. And then add a product, which is the office design service. Change the quantity to 20. And then click on confirm. After that, click on tasks.
Chloe, don't forget to record your timesheets on tasks, as we charge customers based on hours spent.
Hold on. I'm on the phone with the Jackson's group. Okay, I've just started to work on the design of the Jackson's group. I log the time spent.
Thanks! Use the timesheet app, it's easy.
In Timesheet, Click Timesheet and start to change the internal to the office design. And click Task to select the Jackson Group. And to describe your activity, type first call to define their needs. Then click Stop. Then the information will appear under. Then we just need to confirm our order and that's it.
Can you check if we still have sales orders to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
I generated the draft invoices. You can review them.
In sales, click on to invoice, then click orders to invoice. Click on the customer the Jackson Group. After that, create invoice. Click on the regular invoice and then create draft invoice. Click confirm. After that, check the informations and then click send and print. Click on apps. Then first, install manufacturing. After installing manufacturing, go again to apps, then install quality. After that, click on manufacturing. Then in configuration, click on settings. Click on the work orders and then click on save.
Hi, we just finished the plans to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I'll create the 4 products in the system, as well as the bill of materials according to your plan.
Select manufacturing. Then after that, click on products and then click new. On the product name, type table. Product type will be goods and then the sales price will be 330 pesos. The cost is 115 pesos. And after that, click on inventory. And on the operations, click on manufacturer and unselect buy. And then go to general information and double check the informations. After that, click on the products and then bills of materials. Select new and then on the product, type table. And the component will be tabletop, table leg, and then on the table leg, change the quantity to 4. And then lastly is bolt. Change the quantity again to 4. After that, save.
Hi, can you send me a quotation for 100 tabletops, 400 table legs, and 400 bolts?
Sure, here is our offer.
Sounds good. I'll send you the purchase order by email.
On purchase, click on new. Then on the vendor, type only Woods Inc. And product, type tabletop. Change the quantity to 100 and then unit price to 40 pesos. And then add another product, which is table leg. Change the quantity to 400 and then the unit price to 12 pesos. And then after that, for the bolt, change the quantity to 400 and then the unit price to 0.50. Confirm order, then send PO by email. Edit the necessary informations. Then save and close. After that, double check the information and then the attachments. And then click send.
Hello? We just received the products from Only Woods Incorporation. There are 400 table legs and 400 bolts, but they only delivered 80 tabletops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with a back order for the 20 remaining products. They'll deliver the remaining products later.
Click inventory, then click receipts. After that, click only Woods Inc. And then click validate.
We got all the materials we need to start producing desks. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm on it.
On manufacturing, click operations. Then click on the manufacturing orders, then select new. On the product, click on table. Then change the quantity to 3. And then save. After that, confirm. And then produce all.
Okay. I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly station, and painting room. Can we put a tablet with instruction on each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll create the routing, table production, and 2 operations, assembly and painting, from the bill of materials.
Thanks! I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet on the assembly operation?
On manufacturing, select products, then bills of materials. Then click on the table. Then on the operations, add a line. Type assembly, and then on the work center, type assembly station. Create, and then save and new. Operation again, type painting, and then on the work center, type painting room. Create, and then save and close. After that, save, and then click on assembly, and then click on the PDF, and then upload file. Click on the file which includes the assembly of a table, and then click save.
Feliz, our routing is set up. We can create a manufacturing order for the table and plan the work orders. When planned, operations become available on the tablet of each workstation.
I'll test the work center control panel at the same time.
On manufacturing, click operations. Then click manufacturing orders. After that, click new. And then on the product, type table. And then save. Next, click on operations. Then on the work orders, click on the assembly station. After that, mark it as done. Then on the operations again, click work orders. Then click the painting room and then mark it also as done.
Hi, we got 5 customers complaining about a defect in their table. Looks like a table top separates from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related to the bolts. I will create a quality control point on the assembly operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 nm.
On quality, click quality control and click on control points. Click new, and on the title, type torque setting. On the products, type table, and on the type, select measure. Control per, change to operation. Then on the product categories, select all. On the control per again, change it to product. And then the norm to 13, which is nm, and then tolerance from 11 to 15. And then the operations, type my off dot manufacturing. Then on the type of operation, select manufacturing, and then the sequence prefix as 000. After that, save and close. And then on the work order operation, type assembly. Worksheet page change to 3. And then save.
Feliz, I added a control point on the assembly operation.
That's good. We have to create a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the Work Center control panel.
FYI, the torque setting measure should be between 11 and 15 Nm.
On manufacturing, click on the operations, then choose manufacturing orders. Click new, and then on the product, type table, as well on the bill of materials. After that, save, and then click again operations, and then on work orders, click on assembly station. Double check the other informations, and then mark as done.
Hi! To close my fiscal year, I need to know the cost of the table we manufacture, including time and materials.
Okay, I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for theoretical cost if you want to update it.
On manufacturing, click on products, then select bill of materials. After that, click on table, and then click on bills of material overview, and then check the PDF file. Double check the informations, and go again to bills of materials overview to check the other informations. Click on apps, then install e-commerce. After that, choose a theme for the website. We will be choosing furnitures to align with our company. After that, wait for your website to load.
On launching our new website, any idea what we should put on our homepage?
I like websites with a cover on the top, customized with an office image as background. I would put some key numbers like 580 customers, 35 employees, 120 design products, and 8 shops. Then, we can add 3 columns. You customize, we design, we manufacture.
In designing the homepage, go to website, click on edit, then first choose the cover, and edit its layout. After that, change the logo. Select image, upload an image, and then upload. After that, edit your font or designs as well as the background. Upload an image to change the background. Edit the font, the design, add a section which is editing for customers, the employees, the design products, and the shops. After that, align your website, add tables, and then type you customize, we design, we manufacture. Again, edit the fonts, the designs, and then lastly, edit the informations, contact informations. Type the email and the contact number. And then save.
Love the new website. Can we start selling our new office chairs online?
Okay, I'll create a product page on the website with a $120 price tag.
In creating a product, go to website, then select product. After that, on the product name, type office chair. Change the sales price to 120 pesos and then save. After that, edit the image, upload an image for the office chair, and then save.
Hi, there have been no sales for our new office chairs online. Can we do some search engine optimization?
I'll target keywords people are looking for on Google with the promote tool.
Go to website, then click on site, choose optimize SEO, then on the title, type office chair on sale, my office Inc. Then on description, type on the description, keywords, type office chair, add, and then check. Add an image for the office chair, and then save.
The chairs are selling like crazy. Good job! But people are asking for different colors and sizes.
Okay, I will activate the variants feature and configure it on the chair product. What are the options?
They come in 4 colors: gray, black, white, purple, and 3 sizes: small, medium, large. We can even put a custom embroidery with their name on it.
On sales, click on configurations, go to settings, then check on variants and save. After that, go to products. Then on the office chair, go to attributes and variants. Add a line, then type on size, values, which is small, medium, and then large. And then next, the color. Add values, which is gray, white, black, and violet, purple. After that, click on the size, then check on is custom value, and then save. As well as for the office chair, which is the color, select is custom value and then save.
Our e-commerce is ready. Can you test buying a product online?
Sure.
On our web page, we're going to the shop. Then click the office chair. I'm going to choose medium size in color white and then add to cart. Then review our cart and check out. We're just going to fill up information needed for shipping.
Go. Last month, we did $350,000 in revenue through the website with an average cart size of $250. Can we upsell customers by proposing options?
Yes, let's create a new product warranty that we will set as an option of the chair. This warranty has two variants, 3 or 5 years.
Go to website, click on e-commerce, then products, then click on new. On the product name, type warranty, product type to service, sales price to 50, and then go to attributes and variants. Add a line, type duration, create duration, and then values 3 years, and then add 5 years. And then on products, go to e-commerce again. On the office chair, go to sales. On the optional products, select warranty, and then save. Proceed to the website, and then on shop, select office chair, add to cart, and then you will see the warranty, which is 3 years, and then the duration, which is 3 years or 5 years.
I love your new warranty service. It would be great to write a news article about it.
Okay, I'll set up a blog on our website and write the first post. Okay.
On website, click on blog post. After that, on select blog, type My Office Inc. Create, and then on title, Year Warranty on Furniture, Our Quality Contract, and then save. And then edit. And then type in the blog, and then save.
Hindi pa daw naliligo siya.
Lagay mo naman kung go na. Isa pa, wait lang.
Game na eh!
Now, let's go on to the next step. Ay, order.
Last month,
Ang taas!
Feliz, our routing is... Pakita mo yung tablet. Na ini-scroll niya. Ganun ko niya, ginaganon mo.